Hey everybody, this is Okie Twister 66. I'm in the garage today because it's just too cold to ride. It's in the 30s. So I thought what we might talk about is an inexpensive way to keep the inside of your Heritage Classic saddlebags a little bit cleaner. So stick around, we'll be right back. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. So let's talk about keeping the inside of your saddlebags clean. I've got a 2021 Heritage Classic 114. I've got these saddlebags. I'm not a total neat freak, but I do like to keep my stuff neat and tidy. So these are from Saddlemen. I picked these up at Cycle Gear. They are supposedly a universal fit, so we'll find out. This is the large size. So they are water resistant. That does not mean waterproof, but you know, any protection you can get is a good thing. So let's check them out, see how they fit, and just do a little bit of review on them. So we're just going to open them up. It looks like they've got a semi-rigid framework. There's two bags. Earlier I kind of put them up to the side. There's blooper number one today. So yeah, I put these up to the side of the bags. They look like they're going to be a pretty good fit. You know, they're kind of small. These saddlebags, they don't hold a lot of stuff, but they've got a zipper on here. Doesn't look to be like, you know, too bad of a quality. They expand a little bit. They got handles on it. So let's take a look and see how they fit inside the bags. So I think I kind of like them. They're not anything, you know, perfect, but they do, looks like they're going to do a pretty good job. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, hit me with some comments, and even better, hit the subscribe. So this is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Until next time, have fun, be safe, two wheels down.